Hello friends, in this tutorial we will test whether a string is palindrome or not. What is palindrome? So palindrome is a string which reads same as forward as backward. For example, if I input Nitin, so this string is palindrome. As I reverse this string, it still remains Nitin. Take another example, jar. If I reverse this string, it will pronounce as Raj. So uh, this is palindrome, and uh, this string is not a palindrome. So how do you check? How do you write a code to check whether a string is palindrome or not? So the logic is very simple. Take two indexes, start and end. Start will start from the beginning and end will start from the end of a string, and compare each character of a string. For example, if I compare n with n, it's true. Then I with I, it's true. So this string is a palindrome. If I compare J with R, then it's not equal. So this string is not a palindrome. So how do you write this code? So I have taken an input from a user, then assign two indexes, a start and end. Start uh, is assigned a value 0 and end with length of a string -1. So I started a loop and checked whether start is less than end, and then compare each character of a string. Key, if a start string first character is not equal to end, then we know that this string is not a palindrome, and we have break the loop and printed input a string is not a palindrome. If it's equal, then this while loop will run, and after after com- after after completing this loop, if a flag is 1, the value of flag is initially 1, so input string is a palindrome. And if we found any character does not match, then we set flag 0 and break the loop. So uh, this is the logic of checking whether a string is palindrome or not. Let's execute this program. So let's I enter a word Nitin. So our input string is a palindrome. Let's execute again, and this time if I enter jar, then our input string is not a palindrome. So this is a very simple program. I hope uh, you know how to write a code to check whether this string is palindrome or not after watching this video. Thank you.